Insalata cotta e cruda. It's cotta e cruda, means cotta, cooked, and cruda means raw. So we have some vegetables that are cooked and some are raw. Let's begin with onion. And this you can do certainly in advance. These are beautiful large onions. You can do them with smaller onions, but the large onions are really nice. They do a nice presentation, if you will. Okay, now you cut them in slices. And you just put them on a roasting pan, just like that, with parchment paper underneath. It will keep everything clean for you, so you don't have to scrub that roasting pan. Yeah, okay. Simple as this. Let's season them with salt, just like that. Brush them a little bit with olive oil, just like that. And, you know, roasted onions like that are delicious, yes, for this salad, but for anything else that you'd like, even as a side vegetable, it's delicious. And you put them in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes until they get crispy and caramelized just like that. One of those serendipitous moments is when we entered the town of Morano in Calabria. I met Chef Pierluigi Vacca from the Antico Borgo restaurant. He was so excited to have me. He made a very special dish for me. He says, Lydia, this I kind of just came up with the idea just for you. So he took swordfish and he steamed it kind of with some onions, a bit of grating of bergamotto, of the rinds of their bergamotto citrus, if you will, and tossed it in a salad with fresh oranges and some of the local chestnut honey. It was just delicious, refreshing, fresh, spare, kind of one of this, just, you know, like magic moment. Just out of the smoke came this delicious salad. So we're ready to pull this salad together. I have baby kale here. Nutritious, it's delicious, but also the baby kale is resilient. So a nice resilient leafy green as a salad makes sense here because you have, you know, some of the things are warm and cooked and like the potatoes. So let's get the potatoes in here. You cut them in half, in quarter, just like that. Let's get the raisins in here. Cover them with water and leave them, and they get reconstituted. Okay. And the onions, I'm just going to kind of open them up like that. Let them just fall in there. But you can see how these onions are delicious just as a vegetable. Let's toss in the eggplant. Part of the ingredients are boiled and cooked, and part of them are raw. And here I have peeled and roasted peppers. Let's put that in there, just like that. This is a meal, never mind a salad, with a little prosciutto or cheese next to it, and it is a meal. Just a little bit of toasted almonds in there for crunch, for flavor. And now we're gonna dress it. I'm thinking salt. Salt for the salad. I didn't salt the eggplant, so that's nice. A little peperoncino, you know, in Calabria, if you don't put peperoncino, it's not worth anything. You need that little spunk of peperoncino. And the rest is just dressing it with oil. And always go slow under dressing. You can always add more. So let's toss it up. So I'm tossing, and I think I have enough dressing because a lot of the cooked vegetables have their dressing. The kale looks all shiny. That means that it's been dressed. Okay. So now that I've tossed it well, I'm going to present it in a nice bowl. And if you're doing this family style, you know, you have a whole table that you want to put it on family style, put it in 2 bowls, one at each end of the table. So let me not forget Lidia here. I have to taste this, and then I have to tell you how it tastes. Let's see, I like a little eggplant. I like a little bit of the roasted peppers. Do I have everything here? Yeah, I have onions, yeah. Okay, I am all set, so let's mound this up. Good to the last raisin. Absolutely. This looks beautiful. This is mine, and I'm gonna taste it. So this is a glorious salad. In the southern part of Italy, they make a lot of salads like this, vegetables and greens and all kinds of goodies, and some raisins and some peperoncino and so on. So, but I am going to taste it now for you because I want to tell you exactly how it tastes. So I have an eggplant, I have some kale, I have some raisins, I have some potatoes. I'm missing the onion, but okay. I want to put a little piece of onion right here. Let me see. It's delicious. It's juicy, it's tangy, it's mellow, it's sweet. It's, you know, that eggplant taste, that potato taste, roasted peppers. It's just a grand salad. I would like to invite you to make the salad at home, but also to come and join me with a little bit of Sauvignon here, which goes great with this salad. I toast. Tutti a tavola a mangiare.